Okay, these are the Whisps snack. It's basically just fried cheddar pieces. Therefore, keto-friendly, lots of protein in it, very little carbs and no sugar and gluten-free. So you can't go wrong with this. And I bet you this is going to taste like that cheese that falls down between the grates when I'm putting cheese on toast in the grill. I'm hoping it does because that's tasty stuff. I've waited a long time to find this. I live in Japan, and for the longest time I couldn't get this kind of thing. And now I can. I'm very excited about it, but I did pay a lot for this. And for that reason, I don't think this is something I'm going to get every day. Here's the breakdown of all the goodies. So you can see that per serving, which is 14 crisps, does have a fair amount of calories. I mean, cheese is not low calorie or low fat, is it? This whole container has 370. So it's perfect for snacking out of the bag, but it does recommend that you can add this to soups and salad. So let's see if I can hold back and save a little bit out of this bag to do just that. But for now, I'm just going to eat them. Let's try. It's got a sealable bag, which is good. And let's grab a handful here. Oh yeah, the smell. Holy catfish, Batman. Oh my God. Very tangy. Okay, these are super delicious, you guys. It is as I was expecting it would be, except for I think it's like air fried probably because it's very fluffy and there's no burnt parts or anything like that. But it's a little saltier than the cheese that I would accidentally bake, I think, when I am cooking. But oh my God, I recommend these. I don't know if this is going to make it to a salad. I'm just going to eat them all. Definitely recommend.